I have always had like a passion for just like, my main like emphasis is here. I do animation and graphic design, but I've always had a passion like illustration and doing motion like graphics and just kind of creating characters and making interesting developed illustrations. So when I was looking for the program itself, I was trying to find something that would let me do both of those because it's really hard to find that kind of thing in Idaho and just generally without having to move out of state, or if there's out of state, it's kind of hard to even find something like that. So when I was trying to find university, it was nice to find one that actually had both of those for me to do and not just major on one of them and be able to combine both of the skills within that. I really loved the intro animation course. I thought that one was really fun. I thought the professor, which is also my advisor, I have Jake, I always butcher his last name, but I have Jake. And I feel like it was really nice being able to talk with him because we were able to discover really what I wanted to get out of the class, which is really nice because coming from a really large university, I had like maybe 40 kids in a class, now it's like maybe 15. So being able to have that one-on-one time with a professor is really nice because then I can discover how I want to shape it towards what I want to do. Because I really want to go into like character design, concept art kind of stuff, so what Disney does. So being able to take that and combining the graphic design portion and digital media together was really nice. I know I'm going into figure studies next semester, so I'm really excited to do that because I feel like that's going to hone down my creatives more. And I just feel like there's a lot of support from all the professors because I sit down with all of them, and being a transfer student, I get to see like the ability of them having to kind of work around my schedule in a way. It's not like I'm crazy busy, but like being able to have them kind of realize what I need to get out of the course and navigate around that so it kind of caters towards what I want to do is really nice. When I was a senior in high school, I was just like, okay, graphic design is just computers and web design and kind of just like a balance of just coding and everything. But graphic design captures so much more than just that. I found it that you just really have to make it towards what you want to do because graphic design isn't just like, there's illustration as one of it, but like it doesn't have to be just illustration. You can combine it with photography or motion graphics like I do, or you can combine it with even like letterpress or printmaking, which is what we do here. They offer so many different courses that kind of cater within graphic design. While I go towards more of the illustration and the web side of it, not like coding, I do like posters digitally and like, I don't know how to describe it, like logos, branding, all that kind of aspect of it. You can combine all of those, or you can not do any of that and you can do your own story with it. I'm currently in internship with Scentsy. I am a content creator for them, so I work on the social media side of things. Typically, my role is kind of crazy, there's a lot going on. But within that, I get kind of awareness. I've worked with brands like Warner Brothers, Disney, Universal, but within that, I get to work for video stuff, which is really nice, which goes with my major, and then I get to do some design work and social media work and branding. It all kind of wraps up in a perfect bow, which is nice to have the ability to use that as a course credit here too. Because my professors, I always message them and I'm like, hey, I'm about to go do my internship because I work remotely as well in between my classes. So having the ability to kind of have that flexible schedule where I can go straight from school or university and work either remotely or go straight to the campus and just have that balance is really nice. I think the senior shows are just a really good way for networking. I haven't been able to attend any of them, but when I was looking at like the social media aspects from our school, being able to see the kind of networking and different people going to see the work that we create throughout our university experience, I think is really valuable because one, it lets the student actually like have the ability to showcase their work and what it means to them, but it also allows people to see what they're going to be doing. Even if you're not gonna have like so many people come to this event, you can use all that work towards your future careers or just to show on platforms or anything to get a workplace experience and just that community aspect. It sounds so dumb, but I feel like freshman year me is not anywhere near where I am now. I don't know if it's just like the whole like, oh yeah, you're adulting, getting old, but I feel like this school really has changed me in a way without even realizing it. I feel like it's just the community, the laughter, the smiles that everybody has here. Everyone's always here to support each other, which is really nice.